So, this is the bumper. As you can see, I took the old number plate off, as you can see over there. And I'm going to use this wet and dry. I've never done this before, so it's a learning curve basically. Because the bumper ain't got no basically really bad scratches on. It's just taking off the first layer basically, so it's taking away the shine basically. That's what I've been told anyway. I hope that's true. I hope everyone's had a very good morning so far. This lovely hot day. And in Cornwall, it's actually sunny, not raining. And the other day I went to Halfords and got the white primer and the Bianca white to match the car. As you can see, I've took the back bumper off and you can see my exhaust. Woo! You know what I need in a minute, don't you?
Will you try it? Have you finished?
Huh? As you can see, that's nice and smooth. Can I have a like, a comment, and a subscribe, please? If you go on the little bell,
The
notification bell, it lets you know when I'm doing more videos and all that. There's going to be another video because I'll put the new lights in. And I know people's been asking me, oh, do they work, blah blah blah. Yes they do, it's just I ain't had a good enough battery and I bought one. A battery charger, sorry. And I put the battery in, it started first time. And it all worked lovely. I'll show you in the next video. All thanks to my girlfriend. The one who's videoing. Can I have a like and subscribe please? Thank you, bye bye.